Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Stories, all of them together. Families, friends, generations united. Every goal carries our voice. Every hit carries our pride. This isn't just hockey. It's Calgary's heartbeat. This is Flames hockey. This is home.
Were cleared of criminal charges. Apparently, a special prosecutor convened a grand jury on Monday of this week in secret on a holiday and then got the grand jury to decline to file any criminal charges against all of the officers involved. This is the same.
I don't know you, but I want to. And I don't want to steal your freedom. I won't change your life.
What the
Suck it in, bro, you feel a prima donna. I need that put me on the throne type of woman. That never withhold something that grown type of woman. That business when I'm home type of woman. Learn how to cook, that's the way to his heart. Don't pick her with Jesus!
Like that.
Not yet. We're still driving.
A bunch of cats wearing red hats. Very unnerved, kind of like, okay, so I had a whole thing planned about how he was going to recognize you as like the reincarnation of Skimbleshanks. Hell yeah! Twist on the scene, but I don't think you're Skimbleshanks. I think you were like Mussolini in another life or something like that. Or Skimbleshanks that had a second song.
Damn. Good catch, Ford. What is he doing?
You guys okay?
I gotta give Joe Morley at least some recruiting points over there because he's the one that brought it up to him. But of course, Nicole, we did believe would be a great fit in Las Vegas, especially a team.
Hold on.
Nashville.com. Spell the same forwards or backwards? Zero res. From the United Traffic Center.
Boulevard and Village.
Yo, what the
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.